Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today is going to be a very quick video because we have to let you know that this is the last of our promo. So as you guys see these awesome gang sheets, we are not getting rid of the gang sheets. What we are going to be getting rid of on June 1st is the buy 10, get 2 free, or the buy 5, get 1 free. So you guys need to go ahead, start placing your orders now because there's only about 2 weeks left. Today is 5/20. Today is May 20th. So there's only what, 31 days left in the month? 31 days in a month. So you guys want to hurry up and get your gang sheets. These are $19.99, both of them. As you guys can see, there's some pretty big measurements. So this one right here is, what is it, like 13 by 10? I think I did this one at, yeah, 10 by 13. You see I was able to get 3 of those and some things on the side. You see, able to get some other images here. Guys, take advantage of the sale because after May, the sale is done. So this video is gonna be very quick just to let you guys know that the gang sheets are still $19.99. You can just order one if you want to. It comes to about $19.99 plus tax plus shipping. If you purchase it on the website, it comes to about $34 for the sheet, which is an extremely low price. But in the month of June, we're going to a lower price. So that's the reason why you guys want to get your deal now. Get your deal now. So we don't know if we're going to run that price forever, but we've been running this promo for a very long time. Buy 10, get 2 free. Buy 5, get 1 free. It doesn't matter. Gang them however you want. Put whatever you want on there. But go ahead and take advantage of that sale now. You got some people buying 2, buy 10, get 2 free packages. We've had a lot of people do that as well. And you also know if you buy over 100, the price drops down to $15.99 for the wholesale price. So like I said, each gang sheet is 22 by 24. I'm just showing you 2 different examples. This one a customer made, this one I made. They're both 22 by 24 inches. You can fit full color transfers. Look how detailed that is. Vectored images, non-vectored images. I think these were vectored, but something happened with the export. But yes, guys, go right now to flashcustomtransfers.com. Go take advantage of the promo. We got about 11 days left for the promo. June 1st, there will be no more buy 10, get 2 free. Buy 5, get 1 free. That will be gone. The sheets will be at a new price. Hopefully lower, hopefully maybe the same. I don't know yet. You guys have to stay tuned. Leave a comment down below if you know what the price we're going to is. Go ahead, guys, comment down below. But yes, take advantage. Buy 10, get 2 free. Buy 5, get 1 free. The promo is only for 11 more days. Go take advantage now, okay? Stay tuned for my next video on my top 3 books, top 3 financial books that allowed us to make almost $100,000 in just 2 months. I'm gonna go film that video right now, so stay tuned for that video because I really want to start to share to you guys what we're doing with business. You guys see a lot, you guys see us with the store. We got some really awesome things to do with the store. You guys are gonna be very, very, very excited. I know you guys see the videos and we get a lot of people who comment on the videos like, no, don't do that and do this and do this and do that. Guys, listen, we have to put out content to keep people engaged and our customers and stuff like that engaged and hopefully potentially get new customers, but we got it. We're very, very good. Shelly and I are extremely good when it comes to business. So you guys are going to be ecstatic when you see what we're doing with the store, what we decided. Did we decide to go something new? Who knows? You just got to stay tuned. But go ahead, go take advantage. It's Friday right now. I'm going to put this video out right now. Right now, I'm putting this video out. It is almost 5 o'clock. So you guys still got time, even though we're shutting down at 6 because we don't print on the weekends. You never know. Shelly might come in here and knock out a bunch of orders. She does like to sometimes work on the weekends. She's actually with her family right now. She's had a tough week with some losses in her family. So just give your prayers to Shelly. She's been dealing with a lot. She's had, like I said, she's had a tough loss in her family this week. So without that being said, one last time, 22 by 24. It's not $19.99 for both. I'm just showing you 2 different gang sheets and just letting you know. We have the buy 5, get 1 free, or buy 10, get 2 free. Okay? That promo will end May 31st or May 30th. I always forget how many days. I think it's 31. It will end. It will not be available on the website as of June 1st. Okay? So also guys, don't forget to pick up our stickers. We got our stickers on the website. Somebody mentioned that the stickers came with like a transfer, and I'm like, no, it didn't. That's just how we decided to apply them. The stickers come like this on a big sheet, on a bigger sheet than this, because it's a minimum of 50. They come on a big sheet like this, and then you just peel it off. See, and you just peel it off and stick it. I don't know what that guy was talking about, but anyway. All right, guys, let me go whip up this video, put the thumbnail out, and put this on the website so that you guys know to go take advantage of this promo, because these are the last days. Go ahead, go get them now. FlashCustomTransfers.com, or if you have any questions, order now at FlashCustomTransfers.com. That's our email. All right, thank you.